Vacant property could be offices out of hours, abandoned buildings or premises that have been vacated due to unforeseen circumstances. Threats to vacant property include floods, fire risks, squatters and any untoward individuals seeking an opportunity. We can offer mobile patrol solutions, static guarding solutions or metal sheeting solutions to secure windows and doors. Access control can be used as a health and safety tool mainly to do roll calls in the event of a fire. You can do RFID readers, you can do fingerprint scanners. All it means is you've got an inducted individual attending site and in the event you need to retrace their steps or see any timestamps when they clocked on, clocked off, you can cross-reference that with invoicing. Different access control solutions range from manned gateman, so an individual actually signing people in and out. You can have electronic solutions such as turnstiles, which range from full height to half height, and they use fingerprint, biometric or RFID readers.